Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We are glad you're here. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for just watching this video. We appreciate each and every one of you. We're back here again with our 2001 Toyota Tacoma rebuild, restore, whatever you want to call it. But what we're doing is we're trying to restore this truck back to its natural beauty and then some. So what we got to do today, we're gonna work a little bit on these body spots that we got outlined here. You know, just some of this stuff that we got X'd out. You know, a little bit on the rocker. In the last video, we worked on the frame rails. We kind of got everything all treated up from where it rusted a little bit up under that bed. But you know, today we're just going to jump in here. We're going to get as much done as we possibly can to try to get this thing ready to get painted. So let's hop to it right now. I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna jump in here with this and I'm gonna get this pinstripe off. Let's hop to that. Let's get this sucker off first.
This Tacoma, if you shut these hoods and you put your palms down like this or like this, you smash the whole front hood up.
So
smash it all up.
you just fixing it all up,
We're
man?
gonna fix it all up.
It's looking good.
Yeah, it's gonna be perfect.
Gonna be perfect?
Perfect.
Yeah, I'm working on this rocker down here. I don't know if it's gonna be perfect, but we got a little fiberglass stuck in it. It's looking better.
Yeah, it looks a lot better. That door at Walmart really done some damage on that rocker.
Yeah, I think it must have been like a Mini Cooper or something that's low to the ground. That maybe that's what it was.
Tree stump, maybe.
Could have been a tree stump. You know, who knows? But we're getting it out of there.
That's right.
So JP, he has got that hood slick down. We're about to bust out some primer and get that stuff put on. We're gonna just put some primer on these spots and kind of get that done, just to kind of see where we're at. When we get done with this truck, we probably just do a lot more priming, just block the whole thing down. But I have been working on that rocker and it has been a bear. But check this thing out. Let me show you this rocker here. Looking better. That thing is looking really good from where it was at. I mean, almost to the point of needing a rocker, but we saved that thing. We got it out there. We put a little bit of fiberglass in there, just kind of stiffening it up, but everything's going good. So let's jump to the primer right now and get that done. So I am going to turn the air down real low and just spray a little bit of primer right up in that jam right there. Just a little bit. I had to fix that just a little bit. We're going to paint all the jams anyway. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to jump on this and just put some primer on this rocker, cause I think we got it saved. And then we'll see how it all looks. And I think we're going to be all set, because we're going to have rock guard down there anyway. So let's just put a little primer in this jam and see what we get. We did make quick work of that primer. Everything went good. We laid it right down there. It looks real good. Check that out. I mean, that looks really good. Really, really good. Just put a little quick coat of primer on it, you know, just to kind of cover up JP's body work there on the hood. So what we'll probably wind up doing is primering more and more of this thing as we get to where we're, you know, getting ready to paint it. But it's got to sit outside, so we got to keep it covered up. And then I did work on this rocker a little bit too. From where it's at now, to where it was, that's a lot. I'm gonna switch the camera around, hold on. That right there looks good. I mean, that looks perfect. Yeah, that looks really, really good. I'm gonna get this paper off here in a minute and kind of shut the door up and kind of see how it looks. But God, that looks good, man. We do good work, do good work. All right, man, me and JP, we have worked hard today like crazy. I think didn't we decide on the color on this thing?
Yeah, I think we did. I think we need for that to be a surprise at the end. They can see us painting that on. That'll be real nice.
Yeah, we've got a color picked out. We getting this thing smooth. And man, it's looking real good. We found a bed on Facebook there this weekend, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Then it turned up getting gone.
They sold it, right? Like, boom. I'm like, hey, you got it? And they're like, yeah, you can get it for $250. And I'm like, okay, I'll come and get it. And what did they say?
They said, sorry, somebody come got it.
Yeah, you got to be ready to go. When you find a bargain, you just got to be ready to go. But I think our truck's turning out good. Let's check out our body work here today. Boy, look at that. That looks really good. Slick. Look at that rocker, man. We saved that rocker. We gotta block it down one more time. We're gonna probably put rock guard up right in here somewhere on the doors. Oh God, it's gonna look good. This is our frame where we painted it. Boy, look how good that looks. It looks good. We're gonna bring the green machine back up and wash the rear end and stuff off and some of that stuff, and then we're gonna paint all that probably with spray cans. All right, man. We've had so much fun today. We got a lot done. This little truck is coming together, man. It's coming together. We got a bunch of stuff ordered. Last night, we got the headlights ordered. We got the grill ordered. We got the tail light ordered. We ordered some brand new rear bumper. Man, this thing is going to be super nice when we get done. We appreciate you watching our video. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.